see. Okay, so it almost made a low of 388.25, so we sold it around 390.20 somewhere there.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, yes, today is 12th of July and the time is almost 9:07 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So before that, let's see how the SGX market has been performing since morning. Okay, so if you guys can see, this is a day's range of SGX Nifty. Right now it's trading at 15,775. It has made a high of 15,824 as of now. Okay, so these are the SGX Nifty has performed. So let's see how our Nifty will perform today. Okay, so this is how it has gone today. So I think even our Nifty 50 will also see a bit of a gap up today, and then it may also come down. So let's see. So now let's see how our Nifty 50 has opened. So going to the market data pre-open market page. So yes, here we can see that yes, 0.46% up, so same as SGX Nifty. So it's opening at 15,761.30. Let's see if it goes up to 15,800 today. And advanced stocks are 49 and 0 declines and only 1 unchanged stock. So now let's see the stock which is opening the most gap up section, that is Tata Motors with 1.32% up, ICICI Bank with 1.17% up, and there is no gap down opening stock. There's only one stock which is opening with no unchanged movement, that is HDFC Bank. Okay, so these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join our course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I've selected Intelco stock to trade, and you can see I have drawn previous day high and previous day low. Okay, and this is a somewhere key support it has taken. Okay, so Intelco in the previous day it closed at a very high. Okay, so it made a high of 391.4 and it closed at a higher section itself. So now we'll see how the stock will perform. So right now it's at a resistance level. So guys, I think it might come down now and it might touch around 387, so around 1% target it might touch. So I should short sell the stock now in the intraday itself. So around 390.20 is where we short sold. So now let's see, let's wait for the stock to perform. So guys, yes, it was a very good quick movement, if you guys can see. Okay, so it almost made a low of 388.25, so we sold it around 390.20 somewhere there, and you can see resistance is around 387.90. so yeah, I think I should exit now because it can take a support here and go. Okay, so this is a support and this was a resistance for in the higher level, which it was 391. So it is below that, and this is a support line 387.90. so let's see how it will perform now. So it might take a support from here, so you can see the stock is actually going up, so we should take an exit soon. So guys, if you guys can see, it is still breaking its own low now, 388. so it is making its low. I think even this support will not be taken as of now, so anyway I should exit quickly. Like, we have booked almost 0.5% target. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, it did break 388 and the low made is 387.65. so I just took my exit now. So you guys can see it performed exactly on our resistance level and support level what we got, and yes, I took an exit. And this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Intelco. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and learn all these techniques, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.